At Solar Innovations, we turn dreams into realities with products that exceed expectations time after time. Our team has delivered over 30,000 high-quality residential and commercial products through decades of expertise and innovation. We stand apart from our competitors as a single-source glazing solutions provider in homes and businesses throughout the world. Founded in 1998 with just a team of 6, we established our roots in Hallam, Pennsylvania with a goal to be the best greenhouse, conservatory, and sunroom manufacturer in the United States. In 2003, our growing team of 21 moved to Myerstown, Pennsylvania, where our workforce and product lines quickly expanded. By 2005, Solar Innovations began building a reputation internationally with installations in Moscow. In 2009, we moved to our newly constructed Forever home in Pine Grove, Pennsylvania. We quickly added 2 more buildings, bringing our total floor space to 400,000 square feet. Our LEED gold-designed main building, which utilizes solar panels to achieve net zero energy consumption, acts as a working showroom and training facility, displaying more than 30 aluminum, wood, and vinyl product lines. Our operable wall systems allow customers to open wide spans to the outdoors while providing excellent thermal, air, and water performance. Meeting these same standards, our doors make a statement as entryways to new and existing structures. To maximize the flow of fresh air, our large selection of window styles provide a solution for any project. To brighten indoor spaces and add architectural flair, we offer large curtain walls and an expansive range of skylights. Available in an endless variety of shapes and sizes, our skylights maximize daylighting and, in many cases, utilize motorized or manually operated panels to allow fresh air to circulate. To create a climate-controlled environment for both plants and people, our custom glazed structures allow our customers to surround themselves with the beauty of the outdoors year-round. Showcasing elegance and functionality, our wide variety of structures are limited only by the imagination. Guided by our core values, we work toward achieving our goals to be the best place to work and to be the best at what we do. We never lose sight of our vision to be recognized as the top brand in the architectural glazing industry. We promise to provide unmatched service and the highest quality products by continuously creating innovative designs and engineering new product lines. We commit to partnerships that make a sustainable difference for our customers, vendors, team members, community, and environment. Working together, we can be a part of your story and turn the page to a brighter and more innovative